Hey guys, and welcome to the Conscious Entrepreneurs channel. And in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you how you can use TikTok to earn money without showing your face. Now, I did do a previous video on this, but I didn't really go into depth on the strategy of actually how you can do it. Okay. Now, I'm going to share with you a few tools and a few methods. Well, sorry, not a few methods. This is one method, but a few tools that you can use for this method, and I'm going to be showing you that now. So basically, what we're going to be using is Amazon affiliate marketing or possibly AliExpress. Now, if you didn't know, I actually recently found this out that you can actually become an affiliate marketer for AliExpress, which is super cool. Okay, so but what we're actually going to do is we're going to look on AliExpress for products, and then we're going to see if it's already being sold on Amazon, because sometimes, a lot of the time, people that are selling Amazon products, they're actually AliExpress products, and they are basically charging a much higher percentage, or sorry, not percentage, a much higher price for the item. Okay, so let's say they're buying it on AliExpress for $3, they can sell it for, like, I don't know, £10, or maybe even more, £15, depending on the price on Amazon, and they're basically profiting. So if we can look for an item on AliExpress and then find if it's on Amazon, to see if we can then become an affiliate for Amazon instead of AliExpress, because there are some rules around AliExpress, and AliExpress affiliate marketing apparently can be quite strict. And you can actually, it's easier, I think, to get your account banned if, for example, you get too many refunds or certain things that are sometimes out of your control. Okay, so we don't want that. We just want to do it the easy way and go through Amazon if possible. Okay, so the three websites that we're going to use is Amazon, AliExpress, and TikTok. But I'm also going to be sharing with you another tool. It's a Chrome extension that you can use to basically instantly get videos. Now, what do I mean by this? Well, in my previous video, I spoke about where you can get videos, right? And then use those videos for TikTok videos, and remove the sound, mute the sound, and then just add music into the background. Like, TikTok will allow you to edit that small clip that you've taken from your video, and then upload it to your TikTok account. Okay, so I hope that makes sense. So we're gonna go to AliExpress now, and I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna actually show you. Let's say we are going in the beauty and health niche. Okay, so we're gonna click beauty and health, and we're gonna find a product. Now, it's always good to go for a hot seller, because you know that that is a popular item that's going to sell. As you can see here, this product right here has 30,000 sold. So you can see it's a popular item. If we can go down, I mean, you can do a bit of research to find what product is, a good product for you to sell. But let's just say we go for the first one up here. Okay, so we're going to click that product. Now, you're going to look for a video. Okay, does this person, or does this listing have a video? And as we can see here, it has a video. Okay, so we're going to click the video and we're going to watch it and see how the video looks. Okay, now before I play the video, I want to share with you the Chrome extension that you're going to install to then take this video. Okay, it basically pulls the video, and then you can download it onto your computer. Okay, because there's no way to download it like this. So what we're going to do is we're going to install the Chrome extension, and automatically the video is going to be able to be uploaded on your computer. Okay, I'm going to show you how to do that now. So you go to the Chrome, go to type in on Google Video Octopus Chrome extension. Okay, that is the name. I'll just do that for you as a demonstration. So Video Octopus Chrome extension. Okay, so we're going to go to that. Oh, I think my internet is down. Just give me a second. Hopefully it will upload again. Yep. So once that's pulled up, then you click here, and it will show you. It's like a octopus icon, octopus blue icon, and we're just gonna like literally download it or install it on your PC. Okay. Now I've already got it. So sorry, it's not a blue. Well,